the 3 press features included in that. And what that means is our in-house team works to get you the relevant press exposure in the form of coverage interviews in 3 press pieces, one with a minimum of 7.5 UEPM. UEPM is a metric in the press world. It's called unique views per month, and that's how you measure how major a press is. And it's not enough if you get press. You have to be featured in major press is the USA's criteria. So it's not one of those press release style things where you just release it to a bunch of outlets and then somebody picks it up and features. USAS has gotten pretty smart at sniffing those. This is legitimate press where our team helps to find journalists that are interested in your story and then get the questions from them to you and make sure that your story is published out there, in the form of a written interview or something like that. So all of these are included in the VIP. All in all, it's a very sort of involved plan from our side.